TravelCharlee here. Attention all you space junkies who wants to fly and see the solar eclipse from a plane. Yes, a semi-private jet company, JSX, is offering a once-in-a-lifetime way to view the eclipse from the sky. So comment Eclipse and I'll send you the link to the quick online application. The flight departs from their hangar located Dallas Love Field, 1 p.m. Central Time Zone, circles the city, and it's back at 3 p.m. The bonus, it's led by a former NASA astronaut, current JSX pilot, Bill Gregory, who served at NASA's Space Shuttle Endeavour. He's completed 262 orbits. So how cool is that? All the passenger will receive a window seat, the special safety glasses, themed solar eclipse cocktails, I like that, and a complimentary sun protection. So the sweepstakes are on until March 14th, so it's quick. You got to get it in. All right, let me know. Comment and click.